Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best strategy to store Bitcoin safely on Cash App. All right, let's get into it. Now, the best strategy to store Bitcoin safely on Cash App is to balance convenience with risk awareness. Enable all security protections, including PIN, biometrics, and transactions alerts to prevent unauthorized access. Treat Cash App as a secure entry-level storage options rather than a long-term vault for large holdings. Regularly review account activity and keep your device protected with strong lock settings. Avoid sharing account details or signing codes with anyone. And for large amounts, you want to consider limiting how much Bitcoin remains on the app and maintaining clear records of transactions. Strong security habits and controlled exposure are key to keeping Bitcoin safe while using Cash App. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.